Hey, what's up guys? I have here the iPhone 6 Plus, super duper bloated. It was sent to me by a friend. iPhone 6 Plus. Maybe I can just fix the bloated battery. See that guys. If you want to fix this, you have to do this carefully, not to puncture the inner part of the battery pack. So for now, what I have to do is just to release the air so that the battery will go back to normal. Wow! See that guys? Super duper bloated. Woo! Oh, come on. So I get out of the room before doing this. I don't have a needle. I don't have any pointed object except this one. Much better if you can see the citrus thorns because it's not conductive. As I have mentioned on my previous videos, make sure that you will not puncture the inner part of this battery pack, or else it will explode. Very careful. Yeah, got it. So the air already released and it's already flattened. So I'll try if it still charged, and I'm not sure if the LCD is broken or not, but the most important thing is I'll fix the swollen battery, whether it will work or not. So if you're doing this, you need to go to the safe place so that in case it will explode, you will not damage any property. I have tried this to my iPhone 6 battery. I intentionally punctured here in the middle with my tweezer It exploded like a firecracker. And take note, that battery was already empty. So the battery will still explode even if there is no charge. So be careful if you're doing this. I have done this with my Huawei No Battery Eye, also to the Huawei P10, and I have done this to the old cell phones before, including the battery pack of the MacBook. Many people will say this is unsafe, but if you are on a lockdown, you don't have your phone, you can't do anything but research. So if you see this video, for sure you're searching for the fix of your iPhone or any smartphones or any gadgets. So I'll try to put it back to the iPhone. Whoa! See that, guys? The LCD is still working and still good. So I will try to put back this battery that I have fixed. It still works and charging, but it is really needs replacement. But for now, I don't have a replacement battery, so I just need to fix the battery first and order a new battery for this. Now let's try the battery if it's still charging. There you go, guys. Seems like charging is 7%. So I'll try to close this and charge for a few minutes and observe. Now as you can see, it's already flat. battery is not bloated anymore, and battery seems like it's still working. That's it, guys. We have fixed our super duper bloated battery, and I hope this battery will still work for a few months before we can get our replacement battery. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you're not yet my subscriber, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified if I have a new video. See you soon.